Hornet Cutting Systems makes several different kinds of plasma applications that are specific to our customers' needs. Starting from the high gantry mounted machines that can span in excess of 40, 60, 80, even 100 feet long and spanning widths of up to 20 feet wide, down to small unitized machines at a 5x10. Our plasma machines can incorporate XPR series plasmas from Hypertherm up to XPR 460 that can cut up to and sever up to 2.5 inches in excess. We also make pipe profiling machines for piping applications up to 24 inches in diameter, as well as square tube applications that can cut up to 12-inch diameter square tubes using our 5-axis rotary tube machines. And those models are called the Roto 1000 and Roto 2000. Hornet Cutting Systems also manufactures water jets. We have large format water jets that can span 15 to 20 feet wide, and we also have a small 5x10 unitized water jet machine. For Hornet Cutting Systems, that was a natural progression for us as we started off making CNC plasma machines, and using the same quality, motion, and machine designs that we developed for plasma cutting, we applied to a different cutting technology in water jets that delivers dependability, quality, and strong structures for our customers.